Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we are diving into the Manta tokenomics that was just announced today. So Manta has a token that will be launching soon, and this post dives into the tokenomics, deep dive into utility and value creation, how the Manta token will be utilized in the network, and yeah, just a lot of cool stuff. And you get to find out when you can claim your airdrop. So a lot of fun, exciting week ahead. So before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and all the cool rewards we get to earn along the way, like Manta token and airdrops in general. And if you want to learn more, jump into the Discord, and people are sharing airdrop tips in there, and you can ask questions, and we can help you out, in any way we can. So don't forget, the Discord link is in the description of the video below. So get that and get in there, and let's have some fun. So let's explore Manta, the native utility and governance token of the Manta network. You can click this link right here. It will take you to this page that I'm already on. So learn about the tokenomics that power the fastest growing ZK Layer 2 ecosystem backed by Polychain and Binance Labs. So here's a current layout of Manta. So they have a Layer 1 and Layer 2. Manta Atlantic Layer 1 is built on top of Polkadot as one of their parachains. And they utilize this network for the KYC process, the payment system, and soulbound tokens. That's more of like a credentials layer. So you think of like at the doctors, you don't have all your medical information public. It's on a private network. And this essentially is that network. It keeps all your documents and credentials and stuff right there. And then the layer 2 is an optimistic rollup ZK EVM built on Celestia. And this houses all the bridges, the dApps, NFTs, the gaming. And this kind of breaks down how it all works. The total supply at Genesis will be 1 billion tokens, with a 2% yearly minting rate starting from Token Genesis, or TGE, is a Token Genesis event. Governance: Manta token holders can vote on network governance decisions on Manta Pacific and Atlantic. Staking Manta contributes to the overall security of Manta Atlantic. Collator delegation: Manta holders have the option to delegate their holdings with collators or stake Manta to run their collators. I guess that's how you spell it or say it, to secure the network. Network fees: they'll use Manta to pay transaction fees on Atlantic. I think the layer 2 will still use Ethereum. Native liquidity and collateral: Manta token can be used in Manta ecosystem to serve as native liquidity and collateral. Utility: designed to thrive on-chain activities, generating value for token holders, contributors, builders, and users. Value accrual for token holders: you can benefit from the productive redeployment of sequencer revenue and gas savings from modular data availability. So a lot of the gas savings and revenue from these the sequencer that handles all the information going around will be redistributed to token holders. Sequencer revenue and data availability gas fee savings primarily fund on-chain activities and ZK applications, driving demand for block space. Builders and contributors: they'll receive direct benefits from retroactive on-chain activities, funding, and the markets it enables. A symbiotic relationship emerges as well-funded ecosystem attracts builders, fostering the growth of tools, education, apps, and infrastructure. Revenue is distributed to ecosystem projects and public goods funding, continually incentivizing, fostering innovation, supporting early-stage projects, and driving the adoption of cutting-edge technologies in the Manta ecosystem. And then users and community members: ongoing ecosystem and community incentives and project incentives funded by Manta token benefit users and community members. The value exceeds the advantages provided by on-chain activities and ZK applications. Then revenue generation. Demand for Manta block space generates revenue. Initial funding from the sequencer accrues to the Manta Foundation for redistribution. Future funding may accrue directly to the protocol through the sale of participation rights in Manta's decentralized sequencing network. Sequencing. So Manta utility on Atlantic, the layer 1, the network usage fee. Transactions and contract pallet executions incur a usage fee. 72% of network usage fees are allocated to ecosystem projects, enhancing incentives for apps built on Manta. 18% goes to the treasury, governed to incentivize network deployment and future parachain auctions. 10% is distributed to collators, producing blocks containing transactions. So these are like the miners. Medium of exchange. Manta is a native currency, and you can use Manta to purchase credentials like soulbound tokens and KYC within the network. Manta also serves as a voting weight for on-chain governance decisions, and it's utilized for proposing referenda, electing council members, and shaping the future of the Manta network. Network security. So collators or miners play a crucial role in bundling transactions and supporting block liveness, or stakers, I guess. Manta tokens incentivize collators, ensuring a robust decentralized network. And the network allocates an annual 2% of total issuance to stakers for maintaining network security. So that's a pretty good incentive. A portion of Manta supply is allocated to airdrops to reward the real active and pioneering users who participate in and support the Manta ecosystem. It will have initial total supply of 1 billion distributed, and here's the breakdown below. So airdrop 5%, institution 5%, strategic investors and public investors 8.6%, and finance, all that ecosystem community 21%. New paradigm, that's the airdrop 2. I don't know who. Oh yeah. So the airdrop, this is Into the Blue, I believe, and then this is New Paradigm. And then there's future incentives and stuff. So this first airdrop will be Into the Blue, I believe. Yeah, down here. And as liquidity flows between the networks, the token will be locked and unlocked on liquidity pool of Seller Bridge. So first is Into the Blue token airdrop, and then next is New Paradigm, which will come at a later date. And the initial supply, circulating supply, will be 251 million. During the token generation event, the release Manta tokens will be allocated for airdrop, New Paradigm, public sale, advisors, and ecosystem community. So read the airdrop announcement for detailed eligibility criteria. The airdrop will be claimable for a period of 6 months, starting on January 18th. So today is January 15th, and this is on Wednesday, or Thursday, I'm sorry. Thursday, you will be able to claim this at almost midnight UTC. So I think that's about 4 o'clock here. Almost 4 o'clock here. So here's the unlock, the token unlocks. And here's the percentage and the breakdown. We've kind of gone over this before. And then there's a better graphic right here that shows you the unlocks for each one. So there's the New Paradigm right here. And that one is pretty Where's the other one? Airdrop investors. Yeah, just kind of look at this, and it's a good, gives you a good idea of where the tokens will be allocated and who gets what over a certain amount of time. But yeah, this is exciting. I really wanted to share this because they actually say when the airdrop claim will be live. So it looks like they're going to push this this token out this week. So amazing stuff. We've been waiting for this for a while now, and it's exciting to see. So also, don't get fooled. This is the end of the message for Manta Network, and yeah, it's gonna be crazy. So hope you all are able to get. Oh, and it's also trading in pre-sale right now. It was at like $2.70, but I don't know what the price is now. Could be something totally different. If we can, yep. Let's see where the Mantas be. 244. So this is pre-launch. So if you have 1,000 tokens, that's $2,400 right there. So that's pretty good. But we'll see what happens when the token launch event happens. But yeah, exciting stuff from Manta. Get in here, see what you qualify for, and I hope that you get a fat bag, man, fat bag. So I appreciate y'all so much. Jump in the Discord if you need any help, have any questions, get in there, and yeah, we'll see you then. But with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day. Peace.